The one with the...
I move it out of the way.
Emery, yucky. Get that out of your mouth.
Okay, let's sing to Sage.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sage. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Sage, you open. Need help?
Cha cha cha.
I'll come in.
Oh, he doesn't need help.
Hey,
I know there's not going to be electric.
don't eat the candy like that.
Hey,
Dana,
picking them up.
are you okay? Yeah? Okay. You just look like you're tired or have a headache or something.
Emery, down in front.
Emery, sit down.
Oh.
Oh, what is it?
What is it, buddy?
Chase.
What is it?
Let me see. Turn around.
Cool.
I call being the blue guy.
Wait, it's blurry. Just a minute. Ready? Smile again.
So is that like a motorcycle launcher thingy?
Cool.
Cool.
Open the other one and then tell Grandma thank you.
Mommy, do you want my money? Uh-oh. Oh, it's close.
What's the rules? Nice shirt.
That's a little wild.
What's in there? Ooh, shorts.
Ooh.
Good job.
Oh, I need to take a picture of everything. What's that?
College.
You guys probably have
Us? Pictures? No.
We forget our camera all the time, so.
Oh, I would, no. That'd freak.
Whoa. It's a never-ending box.